I'm Neta from China Media World. With almost 2 million content creators, 9 million videos each month, Bilibili platform is considered as the Chinese answer to the YouTube. This video is all about Bilibili, with special tricks on how to use it without knowing a word in Mandarin. I have chosen Dianxi Xiaoge as my assistant for today. We will go over Bilibili platform and company. I will explain how to search within it, what are the unique features it has that YouTube does not have, which search filters are the best, with special tricks on how to use it without knowing a word in Mandarin. Press on the like button and let's start! Bilibili was established in 2007 as a video platform for the anime community. At first it was called AC Fan. Station A. It had a backup on Station B, which was named Bilibili. The two stations were merged together into Bilibili. A key factor to its success was mainly due to Chen Rui, a comics and anime fan who had years of experience in co-founding successful software firm Cheetah Mobile. He joined Bilibili in 2014, and now Chen is listed as the number 472 billionaires in 2021. As of June 2021, Bilibili is a company with a capital worth of $35.68 billion US. So how do they make so much money? Online mobile games, virtual gaming products with VAS, value-added services, ads, and e-commerce. They partnered with Taobao. All this is possible due to the strong creators community. Unlike YouTube, where you randomly see popular videos on the main page, here you can scroll down or use the navigation bar on the right side and find videos belong to a special subject with titles. For example, the first option here is live streaming, but I can choose a subject like documentary and skip to this section. You should have translation app on your computer to make things easier. Now I will go to the search bar and search for videos about Dianxi Xiaoge. I can see she has over 800,000 followers and more than 200 videos. There are a few filters options on the top of the screen. Let's check it out. So the first filter is comprehensive sorting. You can sort videos according to the videos with the most click, latest released, most bullet comments, and favorite. I can see that the favorite video has over 700 views. And the most popular video is about her dog Dawang. The bullet comments is the main feature of Bilibili. You can simply turn it off by pressing on this button. I can also sort the video according to the specific time of this video. For example, I can sort to videos up to 10 minutes, up to 30 minutes, up to 1 hour or above. But you know what really is the best thing about the Bilibili? I can find here videos that I would not find anywhere else. And this is only by using a subject filter. For example, pressing on the subject filter of animals will give me videos of Dianxi Xiaoge with animals. The last filter is all subjects. You can explore it with your translation app. I really like this category, 知识, knowledge. This helped me to learn about her personal life experience, but this is our secret. Another cool option is to find reaction video, where I can find other videos creators respond to her videos, just like I do. I just saw a funny reaction. Okay, you must watch this.
Time to eat this delicious meal. Ready? It smells really good, right? Yeah. Fish next to the meal. I can't even eat it. Okay, stop being a princess and just eat it. Right now, maybe I should give you tiara with this. Okay, alright.
The Bilibili is so successful that it is one of the few companies which two tech giants in China, Alibaba and Tencent, are invested in.
Not bad, right? Not bad! Not bad at all!
After After all of this information, it is time to eat something. This is the video that got Dianxi Xiaoge her best engagement. In this video, she had made an hamburger for her family. They have tasted it for the first time in their life. Don't worry, I will write all the filter options of the Bilibili in the description below, so you can use them anytime you want. Let me know if this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, have a great day and 再见.